350 million. That's the number of people buying on Amazon, but guess who is selling? People like you, and not just hundreds or tens of thousands of them, but 2 million. Yes, 2 million people are making money by either selling on Amazon or promoting Amazon products as affiliates. It's the biggest e-commerce economy on this planet. Amazon has already passed $1 trillion and ready to get bigger and bigger. There is so much more room to grow. How would you like to get a little piece of that humongous pie? Listen, you can do it. Amazon makes it easy. There are two main ways to make money with Amazon. Sell something on Amazon for profit or sell its products as an affiliate and earn commission. No matter what way you take, the earning potential is enormous. With hundreds of millions of buyers and millions of products to sell, this is the most long-term way of creating a powerful online income. The problem, of course, is it's insanely difficult finding the gems from the millions of products on Amazon. You've heard about people pulling in hundreds of thousands of dollars from Amazon every month, and that's only because they cracked the code and found the winners. For someone who's just starting out, you may not know the first thing about how to, well, even begin, much less find those gems. You don't have the training nor the tools and nothing to set up your first store with. It's really difficult putting together everything you need. It can take weeks just to know what you need and then hundreds of dollars to buy it. But that changes now. This is the powerful Instazon suite. It's got everything you need to get selling successfully on Amazon today. Instazon Master Seller, a comprehensive training to make you familiar with all the tricky bits of Amazon selling. 4 powerful market intelligence apps. Instazon Product Wizard to help you find the most secret but highly profitable niches and products. Instazon Search Wizard to spot the products that are performing the best in any niche. Instazon Keywords Wizard. Grab the keywords and phrases that people are using to find products to buy on Amazon. Instazon Reviews Wizard. Find out exactly what people are looking for so that you can pitch your products correctly, or better yet, fill an unfulfilled need for massive profits. Normally, I'd take hours of research to do the work that you could do in minutes with these 4 powerful apps. It's the difference between struggling with every little bit or having all the info at the click of a button. But if you think that's all, wait. We also give you what you need to set up your stores. Instazon WPAMZ, Amazon of course, Store, a powerful WordPress plugin that turns a WordPress-based website into a powerful automated Amazon affiliate store, and Instazon WP Product Store, which turns any blog or website into a money spinner by adding products to it. That's training plus market intelligence plus the stores all rolled into one. Listen, Instazon is a steal with all the tools in it. You get a complete solution that you'd need to spend a lot to get otherwise. Don't miss it and spend 5 times as much later on alternatives. Get it now for the special price and get everything you need for your Amazon selling success in one go. Click on the button below and get access to your Amazon selling success instantly.